Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Avantel Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter on quarter results. We'll give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 11 crores, this year 13.7 crores. Here it was increased 2.7 crores. This is positive point. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 23% year on year. This is positive sign. Later other income. Previous year 19 lakhs. This year 32 lakhs. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 3.2 crores. This year 2.94 crores. Later changes in inventories. Previous year 64 lakhs. This year 37 lakhs. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 2.03 crores. This year 2.7 crores. Here approximately 70 lakhs employee benefit expenses was increased. Later finance cost. Previous year 33 lakhs. This year 34 lakhs. They are paying only 34 lakhs as interest. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 71 lakhs. This year 90 lakhs. We'll ignore this one. Next one is other expenses. Previous year 2.6 crores. This year 3.02 crores. Next one is profit before tax. Previous year 1.76 crores, this year 3.7 crores. So here it was increased from 1.7 crores to 3.7 means here 1.7 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit before tax was increased 111% year on year. This is positive sign. Later tax expense. Previous year 31 lakhs, this year 65 lakhs. Next one is net profit for the period. Previous year 1.4 crores, this year 3.0 crores. Here approximately 1.6 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 112% year on year increase. This is positive side. Here we have earning per equity share. Basic value. Previous year 3.57 rupees. This year 7.58 rupees. Here earning per share was doubled. So this is positive side. Now check quarter on quarter results. That means we'll compare March 31st 2021 results with June 30 2021. Here revenue from operations. Previous quarter 29 crores, this quarter 13 crores. Here revenue from operation decreased from 29 crores to 13 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 53% quarter on quarter decrease. This is negative sign. Later profit before tax. It was decreased from 6.7 crores to 3.7 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 44% quarter on quarter decreased. Later net profit for the period. Previous quarter 5.6 crores. This quarter 3.0 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 46% quarter on quarter decreased. What we observed based on year and quarter results. Avantel year on year results are very good and quarter on quarter results are not good. But we'll give more importance for year on year. That means Avantel year on year results are excellent. Now check valuation of Avantel. Price on 15th July is 728 rupees. PE before results is 19. Due to good results, PE after results is 17. Here 2 points was decreased. This is positive side. Here pros are excellent year on year results, minimal debt or zero debt, reasonable valued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 12.21. Current PE is 17. In the current market conditions, so current PE is reasonable valuation. But we need to remember a few more important points. Risks are small cap. Small cap means current market cap of Avantel is 274 crores. So here market cap of Avantel is very less. We need to remember this point. Next one is price increased from 380 rupees to 730 rupees in 6 months. Here if you see this 1 year price chart, before 1 year price is 330 rupees. So current price is 730 rupees. So the price was increased from 330 rupees to 730 rupees in 1 year. So we need to remember that one. Now we'll check previous quarter's results also. Last year June quarter, here profit after tax is 6.6%. In September quarter 38%. In December quarter 71%. In March quarter 38%. And current June quarter 112 percentage. Last 1 year results of Avental are very good. Due to that one, price of Avental also increased from 330 rupees to 730 rupees. Avental current ROC is 33.9 percentage and ROE is 26 percentage. So this is very good figures. Price to sales is 3.54. We'll check dividend. Here, previous year they gave 2 rupees as dividend. This year they gave 4 rupees. Here dividend was doubled from 2 rupees to 4 rupees. That means 100% increase. That is positive side. Conclusion is excellent year on year results, minimal debt and reasonable value based on 3x median PE. But we need to remember risks also. So this company is small cap company and also price was doubled within 1 year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.